Hello you guys, it's Preet. You are watching Toys and Treats. I'm back with a new video guys. In this video, I'm going to unbox Beyblade Burst GT customized set. This set comes with 4 Beyblades which include Regalia Genesis and Prime Apocalypse. Prime Apocalypse and Regalia Genesis have infinite lock system. Regalia Genesis also has an electric driver. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. And also follow me on Instagram for more. Now let's unbox this set. Let's take a look at the box first. Takara Tomy, Gatinko customized set, Beyblade Burst, B153 set. The first Beyblade is Erase Fafnir, the second is Cosmo Dragon, the third is Prime Apocalypse, and the last Beyblade is Regalia Genesis. This set has all 4 types of Beyblades: attack, defense, stamina and balance. There are 3 right spin and 1 left spin Beyblade in this set. These are the recommended combos: Regalia Genesis Vanguard Ultimate Reboot Dash, Prime Apocalypse Sting Trick, Cosmo Dragon Hybrid, Erase Fafnir Zero Dagger Revolve. Now let's take a look at the back of the box. These are all the includents. It shows here that Regalia Genesis and Prime Apocalypse are infinite lock system based. It also shows here that Regalia Genesis has an electric driver. Regalia Genesis Hybrid. It's a defense type Beyblade. Vin Reynolds owns this Beyblade in the anime. This is the layer, Regalia Genesis, and this is the fused disc and driver, Hybrid. Prime Apocalypse Zero Dagger Ultimate Reboot Dash. Arthur Percival uses this Beyblade in the anime. This is the layer, Prime Apocalypse. It's an attack type Beyblade. This is the disc, Zero. This is the frame dagger, and this is the driver, Ultimate Reboot Dash. Cosmo Dragon Vanguard Revolve Metsu. This bay is a stamina type. This is the layer, Cosmo Dragon. This is the chip Dragon, this is the weight Metsu, and this is the layer base Cosmo. This is the disc Vanguard and this is the driver Revolve. Erase Fafnir Sting Trick 10. It is a balance type bay. This is the layer Erase Fafnir. This is the chip Fafnir. This is the layer weight 10 and this is the base Erase. And this is the disc Sting and this is the driver Trick. Now let's open it. These are the includents: Erase Fafnir, Cosmo Dragon, Prime Apocalypse, Regalia Genesis, the tool to on the electric driver, the stickers and the instructions. Now let's sticker them up. Now let's take a closer look at Erase Fafnir. This is the layer, Erase Fafnir. It has 5 blades on it. You lock and unlock the layer with these tabs. This is how you disassemble the layer. Open the tabs. Press out the GT chip, or you can also pull it out. Then take out the weight. The layer is completely disassembled. Let's take a look at the GT chip. Fafnir. It is a left spin GT chip. It has good teeth. This is the weight, 10. It has 2 hexagons on both sides which make it a balanced weight. This is the layer base, Erase. This is the left spin layer base, which means that you can only attach left spin GT chips. This is where you attach the GT chip. This is how you assemble the layer. Take the weight, put it on, and then put on the GT chip firmly. And then lock the tabs. Layer is now assembled. Let's take a look at the disc, Sting. It has a spring inside it which helps in the bound gimmick. This is the driver, Trick. It can change between stamina and attack mode randomly in the battle. Now Now let's take a look at Cosmo Dragon. This is the layer, Cosmo Dragon. Let's take a deeper look at it. This is the GT chip, Dragon. It also has good teeth. This is the layer weight, Metsu. It has 3 hexagons, 2 in the left and 1 in the right, which makes it imbalanced. And this is the layer base, Cosmo. It's very round. Its circular shape helps in defense and stamina. Now let's take a look at the disc, Vanguard. There are 6 spikes which are pointed downwards. It also has a plastic coating beneath it. Now let's take a look at the driver, Revolve. It has a plate which is free spinning. Now let's take a look at Prime Apocalypse. This is the layer, Prime Apocalypse. It has a fused GT chip and a layer weight. There are no teeth on this layer. If a Beyblade during the battle touches this point, and when this is red, the Beyblade bursts. When this is black, it doesn't burst. Now let's take a look at the disc, Zero. It is heavy. This is the frame, Dagger. There are 3 spikes on each side. This is the driver, Ultimate Reboot Dash. It has a tighter lock because of its golden spring. And when you launch the Beyblade hard, the plastic piece pops out. And when it goes in, the rubber makes contact with the stadium floor and goes aggressive. This is how you assemble the Beyblade together. As you can see, I have assembled it together. This bay has infinite clicks. And when the point shows red and you press this button, the bay will burst. Now let's take a look at Regalia Genesis. This is the layer, Regalia Genesis. This layer also has a fused armor and GT chip, just like Prime Apocalypse. This also has no teeth. Unlike Prime Apocalypse, there are 2 spots which you can hit when it shows red. The buttons can be pressed only when the mark is red. And they cannot be pressed when it's not red. This is the driver, Hybrid. It has a fused disc driver mechanism. You can change spin modes with this switch. It's currently in right spin mode. If you want it in left spin mode, just slide the switch. And now it's in left spin mode. This is how you on the motor. Use the tool which is included in the set and then slide it downwards. Now the electric driver is on. There is a green light that appears on the driver when it's on. This is how you replace the batteries. Open this screw and replace the batteries. It takes 3 button cells to work. And then use the tool again to off it. Just like you assembled Prime Apocalypse, you can assemble this bay too. When it's showing red and you press the button, it bursts. So this is the unboxing for the Beyblade Burst GT customized set. Let me know in the comments which bay is your favorite out of all. And thank you Yoga Instinct for making this available for me. Check out his channel, the link will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Stay tuned for the battles. Thanks for watching.